Rocket, imagine a solution tailored just for you. Meet Change It Up, a Munich-based coaching brand on a mission to help parents transition back to work after parental leave. Glowing star, they didn't settle for average, they craved authentic results. So, they teamed up with ChatGPT to craft messages that resonate. Together, they tested innovative CTAs and honed their approach, and the results? Astounding. Party popper, collision CTRs skyrocketed to 20% on Google Ads, and costs plummeted. New leads flooded in while organic reach on LinkedIn sparked genuine conversations. The client's reaction? We thought we needed more ads. Turns out, we needed more relevance. This shows AI can enhance real human insight, not replace it. Globe sparkles, feeling stuck? Let's revitalize your strategy and create happy customers. Connect with us today. stephanbaum88@gmail.com. nextgenimarketing.de